Alan B. Shepard from East Derry, New Hampshire, and I am also 35. I don't think there's any question that we are on the threshold of space travel. We have seen many evidences along that line. Project Mercury is just one part of the endeavor toward space travel. I quite personally am intensely interested in it and just delighted to have been given the opportunity to participate. I was enthusiastic about the program from the start. I enthusiastically volunteered. I had no difficulty in making my decision. It took no time whatsoever once they asked me to participate in the elimination program.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Lift off.
All right, liftoff and the clock has started. Yes, sir, reading you loud and clear. This is Freedom 7. The fuel is go, 1.2 G. Cabin at 14 PSI. Oxygen is go. Cabin pressure is holding at 5.5. Cabin holding at 5.5. Okay, it's a lot smoother now, a lot smoother.
Roger.
7 here, fuel is go, 4G, 5.5 cabin, oxygen go, all systems are go. On the periscope, what a beautiful view. Cloud cover over Florida, 3 to 4 tenths near the eastern coast, obscures up through Hatteras. You can see Okeechobee, identify Andros Island, identify the reefs. Start retro sequence. In retro attitude, arc green. Control is smooth. Retro 1. Very smooth. Retro 2. Retro 3. All 3 retros are fired.